it is about to make another new all-time high. Investors started taking profit. We were up 21%. We took the loss here. And the altcoins are not in an easy mode. This is not any financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Hi guys, and welcome back to week 6 of our altcoin trading challenge. This was one of the toughest weeks for crypto as Bitcoin dropped, the altcoins followed, and we are definitely not in an easy mode altcoin season. So here is what happened, what I traded, and how I'm adjusting the strategy moving forward. And we can see that on the Bitcoin chart, we had a drop of 6% to the downside, and on Sunday we had a retracement to the upside. So what caused this move on the Bitcoin is that Bitcoin ETFs saw $903 million of outflows as investors started taking profit. And for the coming week, we can see the liquidation heat map to see where can the price go to hit the liquidations. And we can see two levels, $114,000 and $108,000. And $108,000 we have more liquidations here. So from this we can see that something like this can happen in the coming week. We can take out the liquidity at $114,000 as we're closer to this one, and then we can possibly continue dropping to $108,000. And of course, this is not any financial advice. And with Bitcoin dropping, our altcoins dropped as well, and our portfolio is down 11%. So let's take off with the trades that we did last time. We had two leverage trades on Hemi and on Aster, so let's see what happened with those. The first we're going to take a look at Hemi, and we opened the position on Hemi right here where the green line is, and we were up 21% at some point of the time. But as Bitcoin started dropping, all of the altcoins started dropping as well, and I exited this position here at around 11 cents on Hemi, as this was showing a lot of weakness. So we're out on Hemi, and we can see the another trade on Aster, which we have on Bybit, and we entered the position right here. Everything started doing great. We were up 25% on this position, but this one started crashing, but not as much as Hemi, and it's still showing some strength, although we are down $6 on this position. But we can see this descending triangle here, which the possibility to break out from this one is very high, and we can see this one breaking out because the team behind this is CZ and Binance, and I think it's going to do great in the coming weeks. The next trade that I took is on Solana, and we can see this one right here. I opened a long position on Solana here with a tight stop loss, and why I entered this is that I saw some bullish RSI divergence on the 4-hour time frame and also on the lower time frame, but as the whole crypto market cap was more bearish, we got stopped out and we took the loss here. And another trade that I took was on tuna, and let's see here, tuna. We had bought tuna, but I sold it because of the weakness in the chart that I saw. We entered somewhere here, we bought it, it was up 20%, and then I exited right here at around 11 cents. So we were out of tuna, we are out of Hemi, we had one loss on Solana, and we are still in play on Aster. And the altcoins are not in an easy mode, because we can see here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, we are not anything closer to the previous altcoin season, as the Bitcoin dominance was dropping to the downside without any pullbacks. But this time we can see that Bitcoin dominance in the last 3 weeks is going to the upside, and we're in this kind of consolidation period. So that's why the altcoins are not performing that good. And what I would love to see for this Bitcoin dominance is to drop below this blue line and continue dropping. So while we do this, while the Bitcoin dominance is doing this, I'm going to de-risk some of the portfolio. I'm going to sell some of the coins. Some of the coins I will keep, and I will only sell 50% of that. And when the Bitcoin dominance will start dropping again, I will start to enter on the positions again. And meanwhile, I'm going to be doing some short-term trades like daily trading will be opening leverage positions and until the Bitcoin dominance keeps rising. So let's see the portfolio right now. We have aethir being up 70% right now and tbit up 56%. So those two coins we are in profit right now, and that is looking good for them. And let's see them on the chart. aethir had a drop to the downside in the last 30 minutes, a drop of 15%, but it is right now at a support level, and tbit is looking very bullish here. It is about to make another new all-time high. So those two coins are looking very good on our portfolio, considering aethir is at the support level, and if it's breaking below, we're going to see what it's going to do. But let's follow through. We're going to see ondo. Ondo is on a list, but is at the support level as well here, and we can see the 618 Fibonacci is right below here. So there is a possibility that ondo drops to the 618 level, which is another 8% drop to the downside. Another, we have render, and render is breaking below this triangle that we have here, but it retraced, it's back in the triangle. So that's not something that we would want to see, is break below this box here, and that would be bad for render. Virtuals is in this descending channel and at this support level as well. So another one that we have is the research coin, and this one is tried to break above this resistance line, and then it was a fake out, and now we are at another support level for this coin. And if Bitcoin starts dropping, we are going to see altcoins drop even more. Another token that I did not sell last week was Hyperlane, because I expected a bounce back from this 21 moving average. We saw a small bounce back, but then this time we're dropping again, and we're going to sell this one as it's not performing that good. And I think that's from the list here, and let's go sell Hyperlane right now. So we're going to sell Hyper right now. We're going to trade and trade it on the spot. We're going to click sell, and we're going to sell 100% of Hyperlane. Alright, so we have sold Hyperlane. And right now I'm going to sell 50% from render and 50% from ondo on the spot. So let's go and sell 50% of ondo first, and we're going to sell and click 50% here, click on the bottom sell, and this one has been sold successfully. And the next one that I'm going to sell is render, so I'm going to de-risk some of the positions on my portfolio as the Bitcoin dominance is not looking that great. So 50% off render, and that's it. We have sold 50% from ondo and render. So my portfolio is down 11% considering Bitcoin had a large drop last week, and I showed you that Bitcoin dominance is not looking that great for the altcoins, and $108,000 is a liquidation level for Bitcoin that I will be monitoring this week, and that's why I de-risked some of the position on render and ondo and sold Hyperlane. So hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update.